To get started, you want to match up the ends of your cords, and then you want to pull out about a foot so it's long enough to clip to the bottom of the board, and then you want to fold it over and then tie a knot to create a loop. So once you've got your loop, you want to attach that to the top of your board. And then you want to take your two shortest cords and you want to clip these to the bottom of the board. So once you've clipped your shortest cords to the bottom of the board, you can take your cord at one side and you're going to begin your pattern. And it's just a really simple weaving pattern where you're taking this cord underneath here and then over the top here. And then you want to take this cord, you want to go underneath these two here, so where they cross over, just go under like that, and then bring the cord over this one. And then you just want to repeat this again. So you want to take the cord that's now at this side and go under here and over here, and then take this one, bring it underneath where these two cross over, and then over this one. And you can just pull these gently up to the top, but you don't want to tighten it straight away until you've done these a couple of times. So again, just under here and over here, and then taking the other side underneath this cross here and then over here. And you just keep repeating this all the way down. So under and over, and under and over. And after you've done this a couple of times, you can gently ease your cords up into place to form the proper woven pattern. And then just continue doing the same thing all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you want to secure your tail ends. So you can do this in a number of ways. You could just do a regular knot with all your cords. You could add a button straight away if you wanted. And I'm just going to do a square knot at the end just to secure everything. But really you could do this however you preferred. I'm just going to do two just so I know it's nice and tight. So once you've done that, you can unclip from the bottom of the board, and then you want to trim and seal these two ends. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal, but you could use glue if you prefer. So once you've secured your tail ends, you can do a quick knot at the end here and just push it up to where you did your square knot or your other knot. And that's just to stop it sliding back down because it's woven. And then to do my tie on ends, I'm just going to do a knot at the end of each one of these. And then again, just trim and seal any excess. And once you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed woven fishtail effect friendship bracelet.